The Lorain County Jvs Open House on January 28th was a huge success, with hundreds of prospective students and their families touring the campus, speaking with instructors, students, support staff, and alumni, and participating in demonstrations and hands-on activities. JVS staff looks forward to seeing parents and family members, especially because they will help the student with the decision to enroll at the Lorain County JVS. The open house gave visitors a close-up view of over 23 career technical programs in the areas of building trades, manufacturing engineering, business marketing, culinary, community service healthcare, and transportation. The JVS Adult Career Center staff was on hand to register adult students for spring semester classes and talk with adults interested in changing careers or upgrading their skills. Enrollment for high school programs is currently going on now. For more information, go to lcjvs.com.